how to replace the air filter on the Toyota RAV4 2020 to 2025. Now if you open up the hood, under the hood you can see the air filter is right here, located on the right hand side. So let's open it up. Okay, first we're just gonna unclip this connector. Okay, we'll remove this part here as well. Then there is another clip. Okay, now that is out of the way. At the bottom here, this metal clip that you need to push down. Then another one on the right hand side, right there. After that, we can gently lift up the air filter cover. Okay, so if you look on this side here, you want to move it to out here. So there is a small hook inside, so you move it out the side, and then you can lift it up. Alright, so this is the air filter here. Okay, so here I'll zoom it right in so you can see the filter. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Alright, so if you're replacing this air filter, you would expect the replacement to look something like this. Okay, I'm going to lift up and remove the filter. Okay, so let's see what happened when this filter sits inside the car for 5 years. So you can see this is a genuine Toyota filter. It's got this Toyota print on it. And let's compare to the old one versus the new one. See how dirty it is. So that's new and this is quite old. So after this car is already around 90,000 kilometers, so you can see after sometimes it is quite old. Okay, so the old one out of the way, and here we got the new one. Let's insert the new one. Okay, so we'll put that one right to the front. Make sure they are well aligned, and then we can put the cover back on. Okay, again on the side here, we want to make sure that it's hooking in. As you can see, it's right in, and then we push it back on top. Put the metal clip back on to lock it in. One clip, then another one on the side, so we do everything back in reverse. Then we clip the electrical cable back in. This is a few minutes job, won't take you long. We place them on a schedule basis, should keep your car stay healthy, and that's it. So after we can test it out by turning on your car engine. And that's it. That's how you can replace the air filter for your Toyota RAV4 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.